Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, your body just isn't cooperating? Maybe you're constantly tired, struggling to maintain a healthy weight, or dealing with mood swings that leave you feeling out of control. You're not alone. These could be signs of a hormonal imbalance, a condition that's far more common than most people realize. Hormones are the body's messengers, regulating everything from your mood and sleep to digestion and reproduction. But when they're out of sync, the effects can ripple through every aspect of your life. Whether it's that frustrating weight gain, the insomnia you can't shake, or the mood swings that seem to come out of nowhere, these are all symptoms you may have encountered without even realizing that hormones could be the cause. Today, we're diving deep into the symptoms, causes, and solutions for hormonal imbalances. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps you can take to regain balance and feel like yourself again. Welcome to Vital Spark. What are hormones and why are they so important? Before we jump into symptoms, let's first understand what hormones actually are. Hormones are chemical messengers produced by glands in your endocrine system. They travel through your bloodstream, delivering instructions to your organs and tissues. Essentially, they tell your body what to do and when to do it. Imagine them as the conductors of an orchestra. Each hormone has its specific role to play, whether it's regulating growth, metabolism, mood, or reproductive processes. Just like a poorly tuned orchestra, if your hormones aren't working properly, your body's systems will become out of sync. For example, thyroid hormones help control your metabolism. When they're imbalanced, your energy, weight, and overall health can suffer. Similarly, cortisol, the stress hormone, affects everything from immune function to how your body processes food. When everything is in harmony, your body functions smoothly. Your energy levels are stable, your mood is balanced, and your metabolism works efficiently. But if one or more hormones are out of tune, it can throw off the entire performance. You might feel like you're running on empty, like nothing you do seems to help, and no matter how hard you try, your body just isn't responding the way it should. Recognizing the symptoms of hormonal imbalance. Identifying hormonal imbalance can be tricky because the symptoms often overlap with other health issues. However, there are some key signs to watch for. Persistent fatigue. Do you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? This could be due to imbalances in cortisol, the stress hormone, or thyroid hormones, which regulate energy. Hormonal disruptions in your adrenal glands can leave you feeling exhausted all day long, even after resting. If you find yourself battling fatigue on a daily basis, it might be time to look into your hormone levels. Mood swings and anxiety. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and serotonin are closely tied to mood. An imbalance can lead to irritability, depression, or anxiety. When these hormones aren't in balance, it can create emotional chaos. If you found yourself feeling on edge for no clear reason, or you're having difficulty managing your emotions, it could be a sign of a hormonal issue. Weight fluctuations, struggling to lose weight, or gaining weight unexpectedly? Hormones like insulin, thyroid hormones, and leptin play a major role in regulating metabolism. An imbalance in these can make it difficult to control your weight. For some people, even the healthiest eating habits don't seem to lead to weight loss, or they may experience sudden weight gain for no clear reason. Skin and hair changes, acne, dry skin, or thinning hair can all indicate that something's off with your hormones. These changes are often linked to shifts in estrogen and testosterone levels, which can lead to skin flare-ups, hair thinning, or even hair loss. Sleep disturbances. If you're tossing and turning all night, it might be linked to melatonin or cortisol levels. Your body needs consistent and high-quality sleep to function well. Imbalances in hormones like cortisol, which controls your stress response, and melatonin, which regulates your sleep-wake cycle, can significantly disrupt your sleep. Low libido, a drop in sex drive, is often tied to hormonal changes, particularly in testosterone or estrogen. For both men and women, Hormonal shifts can lead to a noticeable decrease in desire. Do any of these symptoms sound familiar? If so, you're not alone, and recognizing these signs is the first step toward finding a solution. It's essential to be proactive and seek help before these symptoms start affecting other areas of your health and quality of life. Common causes of hormonal imbalance. Now that we've covered the symptoms, let's talk about what causes hormonal imbalances. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are some of the most common culprits. Chronic stress. Long-term stress triggers overproduction of cortisol, which can disrupt other hormone levels. When your body is constantly under stress, it's in a constant state of fight or flight. This not only wears out your adrenal glands, but also messes with your thyroid and other vital hormone-producing organs. Unhealthy diet. Diets high in sugar, unhealthy fats, or processed foods can lead to insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which affect hormones. Overconsumption of refined sugars, processed carbs, and trans fats can lead to imbalances in insulin, which controls blood sugar, and leptin, which tells you when to stop eating. These imbalances can ultimately contribute to weight gain, fatigue, and poor mood. Poor sleep habits. Inconsistent sleep patterns can throw off melatonin production and lead to imbalances in other hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Not getting enough sleep or having irregular sleep patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones that control appetite, metabolism, and stress levels. Medical conditions. Disorders like PCOS, hypothyroidism, or diabetes often come with hormonal disruptions. Certain health conditions interfere with hormone production, making it harder for the body to regulate processes like metabolism, fertility, and even stress management. Aging. As we age, natural hormonal shifts occur like menopause in women and testosterone decline in men. Aging is a natural cause of hormonal imbalance, but it doesn't mean you have to suffer through it. Hormone replacement therapy, lifestyle changes, and dietary adjustments can all help manage age-related imbalances. Understanding these causes can help us address the root of the problem, not just the symptoms. Knowing what triggers hormonal imbalance is essential for taking control of your health and finding the right solutions. How to naturally address hormonal imbalance. The good news is that hormonal imbalances can often be managed naturally. Let's look at some effective strategies. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods. Include healthy fats like avocados and nuts, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed foods and reduce your sugar intake. A nutrient-rich diet can help support the body's hormone-producing glands, reducing inflammation and promoting better balance. Exercise regularly. Low to moderate intensity exercises like walking, swimming, and yoga are particularly beneficial for hormonal health. Regular movement helps regulate insulin levels, boost serotonin production, and balance cortisol levels. Manage stress. Try techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or even simple deep breathing exercises. Stress management is key to stabilizing cortisol levels. Practice breathing exercises or engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation to reduce your stress levels. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and limit screen time before bed. Hormones like melatonin and cortisol are heavily influenced by sleep patterns, so maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is crucial. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration supports all bodily functions, including hormone production and regulation. Dehydration can lead to hormonal imbalances, so make sure to drink enough water throughout the day. Consider supplements. In some cases, supplements like magnesium, omega-3s, or adaptogenic herbs can support hormonal balance. Always consult your doctor before starting new supplements. Remember, consistency is key. Small, sustainable changes can lead to big results over time. Implementing these changes gradually and sticking with them can help restore balance and keep you feeling your best. When to see a doctor. While many hormonal imbalances can be managed through lifestyle changes, there are cases where medical intervention is necessary. If your symptoms are severe, persist despite your efforts to balance your hormones, or are impacting your daily life, it's time to seek professional help. A doctor can perform tests to determine which hormones are out of balance and offer solutions tailored to your needs. Whether it's medication, hormone therapy, or further diagnostic testing, a healthcare professional can guide you through your journey to recovery. Hormonal imbalance can be frustrating, but it doesn't have to control your life. By understanding the symptoms, causes, and natural solutions, you can take charge of your health and restore balance to your body. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and with the right tools and mindset, you can feel better, stronger, and more in control. Thanks for watching this video on Vital Spark. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips. Take care, and here's to your health.